Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you Emirates Islamic cashback credit card. What is it and how to apply? So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. What is the Emirates Islamic Cashback Credit Card? The Emirates Islamic Cashback Credit Card is a credit card that gives you cashback on every day spending, meaning you earn money back when you use the card for eligible purchases. Main cashback features: cashback credit card is 5% cashback on telecom bills, 5% cashback on electronic purchases, and up to 1% cashback on other local and international spending, and no minimum spend requiring to start earning cashback. In order to know more, simply head over and open up your browser and on the search bar type in Emirates Cashback Credit Card, then tap on or click on the first link that is shown to you, and you'll be prompted to the Emirates Cashback Credit Card, and once you scroll it, you will find the key benefits right here as well. And in short, every time you use this card for purchases, you earn a percentage of your spend back as cashback points that can be redeemed later. Other card benefits are in addition to cash card, the card often includes lifestyle and travel perks, free movie tickets up to 2 and buy one get one free real cinemas tickets each month with minimum spend, luxury hotel offers, discounts and perks at selected hotel partners worldwide, extended warranty on purchases, extra coverage on eligible products, and purchase protection, like coverage against loss or damage on purchases from supply, cash on call and balance transfer options, flexibility to use your limit or transfer balances. How cashback works: you can earn cashback automatically when you use the card for qualifying purchases. Cashback points are credited to your card account and can be redeemed as statement credit or cash value. Cashback points typically expire after 2 years if not redeemed. Transactions that don't earn cashbacks include balance transfers, cash advances, fees and charges, and other transactions as defined by the bank. In order to apply it, simply head over to the top and you'll find the option that says apply now right here on the cashback credit card. Simply tap on that or click on that and you'll be transferred to the apply form of the cashback card page. Now here all you gotta do is enter in your first name, then your last name, then enter in your mobile number, then your email, and now here select your Emirates. If it's from Abu Dhabi, Ajman, Dubai, according to your account, and then enter in your company name and the monthly income. Once done, simply check on this small box and agree to the terms and conditions of the Emirates Islamic, and then simply tap on submit. And once done, you may also need to verify documents like Emirates ID or password, salary certificate if applicable, bank statements for the last 3 months, trade license if self-employed, and any other supporting financial documents requested by the bank. After submission, typically it takes 7 to 10 working days, and delivery usually takes an extra 3 to 5 working days. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.